Hi, this is Katya, creator of The Novel Factory, writing software designed to make you a more efficient writer. This video is an introduction to the online version of The Novel Factory. The advantage of the online version is that you can use it from any device that has access to the internet. So you can use it from Windows, Mac, with a smartphone, with a tablet, anywhere as long as you have a browser with internet. So if you would like to have a free trial of the Novel Factory online, you can go to our website at novel-software.com and just click the register button. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in and take you through the whistle-stop tour of the main features of the Novel Factory online. So the Novel Factory Online has dedicated sections for all the major aspects of novel writing, and you can see these down this menu here. So we have planning, characters, locations, etc., and we'll go through all of those in a moment. It integrates useful guides to writing, including a step-by-step guide to writing a novel if you're new to writing, and various plot templates and character questionnaires, things like that. So the first tab is the roadmap. This is a step-by-step guide, and it takes you all the way from writing a premise to writing your first draft, developing your characters, all the way through to final editing and drafting and submission. That's aimed at new writers rather than experienced writers. The next tab is the planning tab. This section has areas for you to enter your title, your premise, and also to develop a skeleton of the major plot points of your novel, which you can then edit and drag and drop into a different order so that you can shuffle around your plot points and make sure everything's just right. The planning section also has areas for you to develop your synopsis, and it has a scene synopsis area so you can compare your overview of your extended synopsis with the synopses from each of the individual scenes, and this corresponds to the scenes, which we'll get to in a minute. The next tab is characters. So here you have an overview of all of your characters, and you can click to edit each one and add various information about their basic info, their voice. There are lots of useful questions to help prompt you to develop each of these characters. Locations is similar to the characters, where you can add various locations and edit them with various sights, sounds, descriptions, and of course you can add notes to each of the location items. The scenes section is where you'll have the main meat of your novel, so this is where you'll put the drafts and the final manuscript. So we have these scene cards which can be dragged around and dropped to reorder if you wish to, and you can click to edit, and there's heaps of information that you can add inside each of them, including linking characters and locations to particular scenes, and then blocking out your scenes, doing your various drafts, and again adding notes. The scenes section also includes a Subplot Manager, where you can keep track of the various plot points and the different characters in your novel, and just different items and things that you have developing through the different scenes. We include a submissions tab where you can add submissions relating to agencies, publishers, or self-publishing organisations, so you can keep track of where you've submitted your novel. There's a resources area where you can add useful links to resources on the web that you've found, so you can keep track of them. And there's a notes area where you can add text notes and soon images as well to, again, keep track of useful information that you have. Finally, there's the statistics tab, which gives you visual information about your progress. You can set your target word count when you would like to finish, and then the graph will automatically plot your progress and show you how close you are to achieving your goals. So that is a very quick overview introduction to the Novel Factory Online. We will be offering more tutorials with more detailed information about each of the aspects. If you'd like to have a free trial, please go to novel-software.com and register for a free trial. We're making constant improvements to the Novel Factory Online, adding new features and improving the existing ones, so please give us feedback if there's something in particular you'd like to see. We love to hear from our users. You can contact us via email. There's a form on our website. We're also on Facebook and Twitter, and we even have an online community. So if you'd like to find any of those, they're all available at or via novel-software.com. And if you'd like to receive regular updates with useful information for writers, writing-related competitions, and special offers and Novel Factory-related tips, tricks, and tutorials, then go to our website and sign up for our mailing list. Thanks for watching and happy writing!